Hi kids, today we are going to learn about something super cool, the water cycle. Are you ready? Let's go. Look at this river. Did you know that the water here goes on an amazing journey? It's called the water cycle. Let's find out how it works. First, the sun shines on the water in the river. The heat from the sun makes the water warm up. This makes some of the water turn into vapor, which is like invisible gas. This is called evaporation. The water vapor rises up into the sky. Up in the sky, it gets cooler and the vapor turns into tiny drops of water. These tiny drops come together to form clouds. This part is called condensation. When the clouds get full of water drops, they become heavy and dark. What do you think happens next? That's right. The water falls back to the ground as rain. Sometimes it can be snow, sleet, or hail too. This is called precipitation. The rainwater goes back into rivers, lakes, and the ground. Plants and animals use this water to live. And guess what? The cycle starts all over again. This is called collection. So friends, that's the water cycle. The water goes from rivers to the sky and back again. Isn't that amazing? Thanks for learning with me today. Remember, water is very important, so let's take good care of it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.